Cheesy potato omelette in a solar cooker, an easy camping recipe. This is how I made it. First, line the food tube with baking paper and fill it with sliced potatoes. Place it in the solar cooker and cook for about 15 minutes. Take the food tube out and add sliced onion and garlic. Back into the cooker for another 10 minutes. Then take it out again and pour 3 beaten eggs over the potatoes, onion and garlic. Cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, add some shredded cheese and let it melt. And there you have it, an easy, cheesy camping meal, cooked entirely with solar energy. See you in the next video. Ma.